Hi guys, welcome to How To Library. Today I'm going to show you how to add your Spotify Wrapped playlist to your profile. So your Spotify Wrapped playlist should be here on your home screen, but as you can see, mine is not. So we're going to go and look at the bottom of my screen now, and we have about 4 icons. We have a home icon, a search icon, your library icon, and a premium icon. We're going to click on the search icon, and that will take us here. So at the top, you can see there's a search icon, a search bar, and then we have Browse All 2022 Wrapped. So we're gonna click on 2022 Wrapped, and let's just say we have a playlist we really like Rap Caviar presents best hip hop songs of 2022. We're gonna click on that. So for you to add a whole playlist to your profile, first you need to like the playlist. You can like it by right under the picture. There's a little heart icon and a 3 dots icon. So after you click the like icon, the heart icon, next to it, you have to click on the 3 dots icon. And then you have add to your profile. So we're going to click on add to your profile. And playlist is now displayed on your profile. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!